A twist for people helping hospitalized COVID patients fight the virus. Only people who have recovered from the coronavirus can donate convalescent plasma.
But as WPTV News Channel 5's Michelle Casada explains, a new rule makes it impossible for those donors to give plasma right now.
Stephanie Tomasimi spent Christmas Day with those closest to her. The next day, she had a fever that persisted for several days. She tested positive for COVID-19.
It was a mild case, thankfully.
And knew immediately she wanted to donate convalescent plasma.
I've heard that the treatments do work for people in the hospital and help lessen the symptoms, and I just wanted to do my part.
But when she donated plasma at One Blood in Stewart in January,
I was asking them, I can give every 28 days. And he said, well, not if you get the vaccine. And I said, what do you mean?
Even though the FDA is allowing people who have recovered from COVID-19 and received the vaccine to donate convalescent plasma, Susan Forbes with One Blood says the organization is not ready to collect from that pool of donors just yet.
It requires process changes and us to implement additional computer software upgrades to our system in light of those changes. So we're moving as quickly as possible to put those in place.
Is there any concern that there may be a depletion in the supply of plasma right now because you're putting a pause on those collections for those who have received the vaccine?
It's still a small percentage of the people that we're looking at who may be impacted by this recent change in eligibility.
If you had COVID-19 and have already received the Pfizer or Moderna vaccine, One Blood says you can still donate blood and help patients in need right now.
Forbes said there is no timeline right now for when One Blood will start collecting plasma from vaccinated donors. With vaccine availability for the general population a few months away, Stephanie says she hopes other people like her will keep donating every 28 days.
It's a very quick process, and love your neighbor. I am my brother's keeper.
Michelle Casada, WPTV News Channel 5.